Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Friends, I have often heard many students uh, complaining that even after drawing for several times to memorize the trigonometric ratios, they often fail to recall it. So today I will help you to memorize it in a very easy way. I will tell you a simple trick to learn it, to memorize it. You will never forget it. Okay? So let's start. First one, the very easiest step. First of all, write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's very easy step. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take denominator 4 for all these numbers. First step 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step, put denominator 4 in all the numbers. Then put a square root. Now find the square root. Square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 4 is 2. So 0 by 2, it is 0. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2. Square root of, so this is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2, it will remain same, under root 2. Under root 3 by 4. Square root of 3, it is under root 3. Square root of 4, 2. 4 ones are 4 ones are. So this is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Very easy. 0 by 2, 0. So this is sine theta 0 degree, 0. Sine 30 degree, 1 by 2. Sine 40 degree, 45 degree, sorry. It is 1 by under root 2. Sine 60 degree, under root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree is 1. Now cos theta is even more easier. This is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by under root 2, under root 3 by 2, 1. Now write these number in this way. Right? In this order. 1 under root 3 by 2. Then 1 by under root 2. Then 1 by 2. And 0. Done. Cos theta is done. Very easy. Tangent theta. This is sine by cos. Tangent, for finding out the ratio tangent theta, we always take the ratio sine by cos. So sine is 0, cos is 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Right? Now this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 over sine over cos. So cos is under root 3 by 2. 1 by 2. So multiply. It will become 2 by under root 3. 2 cancel. So our value is 1 by under root 3. Right? Now sine is 1 by under root 2 over cos is 1 by under root 2. 1 by under root 2, 1 by under root 2. Cancel. So this is 1. Next is under root 3 by 2 over 1 by 2. So it will be under root 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 1. 2 cancel. So this is under root 3. Next is 1 by 0. Sine over cos. So this is 1, this is 0. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is no number, so it is not defined. So next is cosecant. Cosecant is reverse of sine. Cosecant is reverse of sine. 0. Reverse of 0 is 1 by 0. So this is not defined. Wherever it is 1 by 0, it is not defined. Then 1 by 2, reverse of 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by under root 2, reverse of under root 1 by under root 2 is under root 2. under root 3 by 2. Now reverse of it. 2 by under root 3, 1. So reverse of 1 is 1. Secant theta. Secant theta is reverse of cos theta. So reverse of 1, 1. Reverse of under root 2 by 3, 2 by under root 3. Reverse of 1 by under root 2, it is under root 2. Reverse of 1 by 2, 2. Reverse of 0 by 1, 1 by 0. This is not defined. Next is cot theta. Cot theta is reverse of tangent theta. So first is 0. 0 by 1. Reverse of it will be 1 by 0. Not defined. 1 by under root 3. Reverse of 1 by under root 3 is under root 3. 1. Reverse of 1 is 1. Under root 3. Reverse of under root 3 is 1 by under root 3. Not defined. Not defined means 1 by 0. So reverse of it is 0 by 1. So this is 0. Isn't it very easy? Thank you for watching this video.